Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Verma. This is second lecture on file permission on Linux operating system. In Linux operating system, there are various commands to change the permissions. If you want to change permission of any file or any directory, then you will use chmod command. To change the permission of a file or directory. If you want to change owner of a file, then you will use chmod to change the ownership. If you want to change group, then you will use chgrp to change the group. In Linux operating system, user having there are various type of user. I already discussed in previous lecture. There are three type of user. One is super user, second is service user, and third one is normal user. In case of permission, if you are logging with super user, it means login with root. Then directory having default permission, (755). It means user having read, write and execute permission, and group having read and execute permission, and others having read and execute permission. In case of file, permission is 644. It means user owner having permission read and write, and other having permission read, and group having other groups having permission read, only read permission. But in case of normal users login, for the directory, default permission is 775. It means read, write, execute for user, read, write, execute for groups, read and execute. This is for users. And this is for groups, and this is for others. And in case of directory, in case of file, permission are 664. It means read, write, and read write for a group and only read permission for others. This is for user and this is for group and this is for others. So default permission for this is default permission for super user in case of directory 755 and in case of file 644 and in case of normal user login for directory 775 and in case of file permission is 664. Now I will take the example of chmod command. I am login with root and I create a directory /java. I check the permission with ll command. See, this is the permission, default permission for directory rwx, rx and rx. It means rwx 7 and rx 5 and r-x 5. This is the permission. If I want change permission from 755 to 777, it means 7 for user, 7 for group and 7 for others. Then run the command chmod 777 java. Now check the permission of my file. See, rwx, rwx and rwx. Now permission of /java folder is 777. If I want to change permission from 777 to 700, now I run the command chmod 700 java. Now check the output, check the permissions. Now permission are rwx 7 and are dots, it means 00 for others and groups. Now check with normal user. I am login with another user. I am login with Naveen. This is normal user in my system, and I create the file mkdir folder is Java, but I create PHP. Okay. I create a folder PHP. Now I'll check the permission. ls-ld PHP. Now permission are rwx and r-x. It means permission is 775. Now I want to change the permission of PHP folder. chmod 777 PHP. Now permission has been changed, and check the permission. Now permission are 7 rwx for user and rwx for groups, and this is for others. Now permission is 777. Now I want to change the permission from 777 to 700. Now run the command chmod 700, folder name is php. Now check the file permission, folder permission. The permission are rwx. Now I create a file abc and folder is php. Now check the permission of file. ls-ld php abc. Sorry, file maybe no file not created. Just a minute, I will check the files. No such file. I create the file abc. Now file may created. Yeah, file is created. Now check the permission of file. php abc. Now file permission is rw hyphen, it means 6, rw hyphen, it means 6, and r hyphen hyphen, it means 4. The default permission for file 664. Now I want to change permission from 664 to 666. Then I will run the command chmod 666 php abc. Now check the file permission. Yeah, see, permission is rw hyphen for user, rw hyphen for groups, rw hyphen for others. It's all about chmod command. Now second command is chown. Using chown command, we can change the ownership of file. Now check the main page of chown command. Change the file owner and group. It completely change the ownership of file. Now I create come to practical session. This is my file. Now see, now file my user owner name is Naveen and group name is Naveen. Now I want to change the username of file. Command is chown xyz check xyz Naveen to xyz and file location is php abc. Cannot access. Let's wait. Operation mode permitted. Sorry, I am logging with normal user. Command login run with root user. Now check the permission ls-ll. Create the file. Sorry. Touch Java ABCD. Now check the permission ls-ld. Sorry, ll for files and ld used for directory. Java ABCD. Now file owner is root and group owner, sorry, group is root. Now change the owner. ch1 xyz, oh sorry, root to make a Naveen, and file is Java ABCD. Now check the permission of file. Yeah, now check. Now this is now file owner is root and group is Naveen. Now check, group has been changed. If you want to change user and group, then you will run the command ch1 Naveen file is Java ABCD. Now check the permission. Now file owner is Naveen and group also Naveen. If you want to change only group, then you will use the command chgroup. Then command is root Java ABCD. Now check only group has been changed. With the help of chgroup, only root has been changed and file or norm is Naveen. This is basic idea about ch1, chgroup and chmod command. Thank you.